is Dr. Louis Damis, and I'm a clinical health psychologist. It is my pleasure to be inviting you to join us at the annual meeting of the American Society of Clinical Hypnosis in Reno, Nevada this March. Dr. Akira Otani and I will be coordinating the Level 2 Intermediate Workshop. We will be presenting on advanced techniques of elicitation and intensification, as well as hypnoprojectives and insight and exploratory techniques. Along with several of our colleagues, we will be teaching on the applications of clinical hypnosis for ego strengthening, habit disorders, fears and phobias, chronic pain management, insomnia, and pediatrics. I will also be teaching in the Level 3 workshop on the applications of clinical hypnosis for trauma resolution with an emphasis on developmental trauma and attachment repair. I am once again honored to be working with my esteemed colleagues at the American Society of Clinical Hypnosis, and I am certain that all who attend will find it to be a very rewarding experience. Looking forward to seeing you there.